Hey everybody! All right, so we have something kind of fun on our whiteboards today. This is called a number machine. And these come in all different shapes and sizes, and they're an exercise in following rules, right? Math has a lot of rules in it, and once you figure out the rules, it's kind of fun and easy to complete. So, first thing I'm going to do at the top of the number machine here is I'm going to tell you the rule. Add 10. Whatever I give you, you are going to add 10 to it, right? And let me explain how that might work. So if I put a 70, click, into the number machine is going to spit out the answer out the back side. And in the middle of that machine, it's going to do whatever the rule is to it. So if I had 7 10s and someone gave me another 10, I would see that 8 10s or 80 would come out the back. You see how that works? 70 goes in, click, 10 gets added, 80 comes out. What would happen if 35 went in? So I have 3 10s. Suddenly I have 4 10s, and the 5 stays exactly the same. There is no rule about doing anything in the ones place. So whatever is in the ones at the beginning is going to stay in the ones at the end. 43 goes in. What do you think would happen? Well, I know the 3 is going to stay, but that 4 is going to get 1 more. 53. Now, the other thing you can see about a number machine is you can see the output. You can see what comes out, and maybe you missed what they put in. So imagine working this machine backwards. Hey, 85 came out. What must have gone in to make this 85? Well, if you're going to work it backwards, that means the rule is going to work backwards too. So in order for me to go backwards to find out, I'm not going to add 10. I'm going to take that 10 away to see what I started with. Okay, so 85 is my answer. Take 10 away, so the 5 isn't going to change, but that 8 is going to get a little bit smaller. The only way that would have worked out is if I put 75 in, added 10 to get the 85. Okay, here's another one that's backwards. A 10 came out. What did you have to put in order to get a 10? The nice thing about these problems of the day is talk about them. So this would be a great one to talk about with someone in your family. Sit next to your big brother and see if you guys can't figure out what must have went into that number machine if a 10 came out. Remember, the rule is to add 10. Thanks now.